Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn machine learning step by step. Begin by building a strong foundation in mathematics, especially linear algebra and calculus, which are crucial for understanding algorithms. Simultaneously, master a programming language like Python, focusing on its data science libraries. This dual approach ensures you grasp both the theory and practical application from the very beginning, setting you up for success. Next, dive into the core concepts of machine learning, distinguishing between supervised and unsupervised learning. Understand how to prepare your data using various preprocessing techniques, which is a vital skill. Then, get hands-on with powerful libraries like scikit-learn in Python, applying these concepts to real datasets. This practical experience solidifies your understanding. As you progress, explore advanced topics like deep learning, understanding neural networks and their architectures. The most effective way to learn is by doing, so consistently work on practical projects to apply your knowledge. Consider participating in online competitions to challenge yourself and gain valuable experience with diverse problems. This hands-on approach is invaluable. Machine learning is a rapidly evolving field, so continuous learning is key. Stay updated with the latest research and emerging trends to keep your skills sharp. Network with other professionals to share insights and collaborate. Contributing to open-source projects can also enhance your portfolio and provide real-world experience. Embrace lifelong learning for sustained success.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.